Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Funerals. Narrated by Al-Muthlib, when Uthman ibn Mazun died, he was brought out on his bier and buried. The Holy Prophet ﷺ ordered a man to bring him a stone, but he was unable to carry it. Allah's Messenger ﷺ got up and going over to it, rolled up his sleeves. The narrator Qatir told that Al-Muthlib remarked, "The one who told me about Allah's Messenger ﷺ said, I still seem to see the witnesses of the forearms of Allah's Messenger ﷺ. When he ﷺ rolled up his sleeves, he ﷺ then carried it and placed it at his head, saying, I am marking my brother's grave with it, and I shall bury beside him those of my family who die." Abu Dawud 3206. Narrated by Abdullah ibn Ja'far, Allah's Messenger ﷺ said, "Prepare food for the family of Ja'far, for there came upon them an incident which has engaged them." Abu Dawud 3132. Narrated by Abdullah ibn Abbas, Allah's Messenger ﷺ commanded to remove weapons and skins from the martyrs of Uhud, and that they should be buried with their blood and clothes. Abu Dawud 3134. It was narrated from Abu Hurairah that Allah's Messenger ﷺ offered the funeral prayer, then he came to the grave of the deceased and scattered 3 handfuls of earth from the side of the deceased's head. Majah 1565. وَمَا تَوْفِيقِي إِلَّا بِاللَّهِ.